So three situation, that means it's a level of the market. Buyers exactly close at this level. After that, sellers entered in the market. Breakout happened, market break this level. After that, sellers enter, and it create a momentum type situation, or 2 or 3 wave to the same direction. Or market got rejected from this level. After that, again rejection, or directly fall down, or like this type of rejection, sellers rejected and market fall down. So this is the symptoms of extreme sellers entry point area. When market create this type of situation in a particular area, so it may extreme buyers entry point level, or it may extreme sellers entry point level. So that time we can call it a extreme sellers area. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So from this area, sellers are strong here, because this type of area previously, then market again came back to this area, and we get any range or we get any chart pattern. So after that, market break this neckline and falling down. So this area to this area, who are in a power? Sellers. So now here to here, we get signal from the buyers. Why we get signal from the buyers?
Because sellers are in power. Yes. So buyers are very weak.
Exactly. So and we have to take signal from the weakness sign. Okay.
Correct.
Market again continue. So when this area is power, in a power, so we can expect that markets slowly become weak by the seller side, because already it created first wave and now second wave. And now when market came to any extreme buyers entry point area, and if we get any weakness sign by the seller side, after that any signal from the VSA, then which type of signal this one? Climax.
Climax, correct.
Okay, so after weakness by the seller side, climax signal. So now market came to any extreme buyers entry point area. After came back to this area, now what will our observation? Can we place our trade immediately?
No, sir, we cannot.
So we have to wait. So when we are waiting, now what is our expectation in this area after this type of market condition? Market create first wave, second wave, third wave, and we already got a weakness sign by the seller side, and it's a exhaustion type candlestick, and it's a signal by the seller side. Now what will our expectation? Market break this level, market make a range, or what? We have to
we have to wait, sir. Sometimes it happens that it creates a range, and then it again breaks down, and again go down.
Yes.
So we have to wait for the right signal. The first one is whether buyer will continue or not. We will understand with the breakout whether it will create a chart pattern, double bottom, triple bottom, or any chart pattern it will create, head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulders. But if breaks out, then we can go for uptrend. But if it breaks down, then possibly it will go more down then.
Okay.
So through VSA signal, when it breaks down, then there is a bullish volume which will be higher than previous all candlestick bar.
Yes. So when we get any climax candle by the buyer side, so it may this type of candlestick, this one also. Okay.
Starting climax, correct, sir.
Starting climax, yes, this one. And volume high, then all others candles volume. So now after this candle, again by the price action we already got a pattern here. Okay.
Correct.
So after that market create this weak candlestick. It's a retracement candle, because neckline breakout happened after that retracement candle. So what information market giving us by this candlestick? If we get this candle volume again high, so it's a VSA signal. So when market again came back to any support level, after that buyers again enter in the market and create this type of momentum. So this is the signal when market create this candle. After this candle, so step by step we are very clear that now what will be the next movement of the market and total market condition, what type of market now create here. So after this ranging area from this extreme buyer's entry point area, so it's a pattern. After that, climax. So if we start from here, weakness sign, then selling climax end, then climax end candle, then range. In between this range, pattern, chart pattern. After that, again climax. Then market will give us this type of signal by the VSA. After that, breakout happened. So neckline breakout happened. After that, retracement candle. After that, again new level breakout happened. So this candle giving us information market failed to came back to this ranging area now. And buyers again strong here. So when market break this new level, now it's a point. From this point, more possibility market may create here a momentum. So when market start from here, started to going up, so it's a momentum. In between this momentum, it's our signal by price action. Which signal? Continuation.
Continuation, correct, sir.
Okay. So in between this momentum, continuations sign. And if we get there is no level here, so that time, based on this volume condition, can we apply CWRV here? Because there is no
Yes,
level.
sir.
So now we can apply CWRV here. So based on CWRV, so market will next candle again continue. Because it's our rules. So now the market structure and market movement is okay. Is giving us yes signal or not? In this case, market structure and market movement giving us yes signal or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, VSA giving us yes signal or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay. Then by price action, continuation sign giving us yes signal or not? Because there is no level.
Correct, there is no level. So continuation signal. Yes.
Now CWRV giving us yes signal or not?
Correct, sir.
So now in this case, we can go with the buyers. Next candle goes up. We can place our trade to the upward direction very confidently, and we can expect more than 90%.
Okay, sir.
If just
Yes,
we can analyze the total market condition and total market structure, all the knowledge if we can apply, and then if we can place our trade, it will give us very high winning ratio. But always follow one thing, that when you want to place your trade to the upward direction, when market came little bit below, always take marginal safety.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes market may create a doji candle, that time you can win, you must win this trade. That's why always try to take marginal safety and try to place your trade.